Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week I went ahead and bought the L&M case. So the sad thing is I'm not able to get every piece of it. I bought 25 cars in that both of these cases, combined I'm saying. So it's a mix which I bought. I did get two treasure hunts. One is the Ford van and another one is something that I will be unboxing maybe a couple of weeks later. It's like the food related car they made. I didn't even like it, but just for the sake of unboxing I bought the treasure and that's it. So and I bought one more which is very hard to find. This is the one, the chase piece. So I'm not saying what others are saying, to be very honest. I don't know what's special about this one. So we will be unboxing this and see, we'll be seeing how this one actually looks, or how it varies from the other five in this set. Okay, so let's start with the treasure hunt first. So this one is the treasure hunt in this one. In this, I think this is from the L case. So the Ford Transit Connect. Okay, let me put it like this. Okay, so I think I do have a Ford Transit Connect which I bought a couple of years back. Back in Dubai, I guess. So that was with a different livery. So this one looks good when you look it like this. Okay, but it is a okay casting if you ask me. Okay, let's go to the next one. So another one in the box, which is the Bugatti Chiron. So I do have a Chiron. You can see it here behind this. So that one is by Major. They did it really well. They have openable doors and everything, and they have actual headlights and all. I mean acrylics for the headlights and all. That was really a nice piece. So I bought both of them, both colors actually. So the second one here is the Lotus Type 49. So I really liked this one for some reason. So it looks really cool. So I bought this. Okay. So this one is the Cadillac Project Hypercar, and so it looked really nice, when they are holding it in the hand. So I thought of, buying it and, seeing it for myself, how this one actually looks. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so this one I think is a new series they introduced, the rolling metal, and this is like the Zamac ones actually, but not exactly mentioned as Zamac. So we unboxed the Shelby in the last case. That was absolutely awesome. And this one is a drag Mercury, and this looks really nice. So I will be unboxing this one as well. And one other casting which I wanted to buy in this one, this is a Pagani Utopia. So finally I got this casting as well, and this is a STH in this case, but I don't have that. I didn't get that. So this is a 77 Pontiac Firebird. This casting looks absolutely beautiful. So I really don't want to miss out Pontiac at any cost, so I bought it. And so the Jaguar F Type Project 7. I think I did unbox a Jaguar F Type back then. I think that is by Major. Either it will be behind this or I kept it separately, but I did unbox it. I remember that. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So one more. This is one of my favorite, the 92 BMW M3. So whoever played Most Wanted, they can easily remember this. So there are a few more cars which I want to show you guys, which I will be unboxing this week apart from the Hotwheels. So which is this one. This is by Tomica, and this is from the car series. This is an imported one, and I personally loved the livery in this one. I don't know about this character's name, so the last part I didn't see. So but I did love the livery here, the fiery ones. I think this is a Nissan Sky Lady, if I'm not sorry, Nissan Fair Lady, sorry. So I think this is a Fair Lady, so I bought it, but it looks absolutely beautiful in the picture. Okay, this one is also imported, and this is the Nissan Ideas concept. I never actually heard about this car. I never saw this car, so I thought of unboxing this, buying it and unboxing it. This is the premium one. So the last but not least, my personal favorite, this is a Huracan Sterrato, and this is by Sparky. Actually, this is my first car from this brand. So I will be unboxing this, and there are two variations actually in this one. One is with this tire on the top, and another one is without this tire. So I'm happy that I bought the one with the tire on the top. That looks absolutely cool. So that's it, guys. So that's it for today. So stay tuned for the next 2 weeks for all this unboxing, and I will be unboxing literally every car which I bought. So if you guys are wondering what about the other cars in the same case, the LM and everything, I will be unboxing those, so don't worry. But due to time crunch, my time is very limited to record these videos and everything, and I'm just trying to put all these videos for you guys, and I'm just trying to keep that duration very short so that you guys can watch anytime you want for the 2.5 to 3 minutes, with at least a decent review. That's what I'm trying to do. So some people are asking about the cases behind me, that I will be doing in a separate video, because I need to show the cases. I separately kept some for the review. So I will be doing that maybe in a week or so. So stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day. Goodbye.